My name is Zoe. This is Cooking with Zoe, episode 5. Today we're going to make a coconut smoothie. First, you're going to need the blue sauce. And next, you're gonna need green sauce. Now you're gonna need the brown sauce. Going to need the red sauce. Going to need the pink sauce. Thing you need is the yellow sauce. Now we need 5 drops of flour. Now we are going to put this bowl with our mixer. Now gonna pour our smoothie into our coconut.
Yeah, but
That drink was very tasty.